welcome back to my channel, and it's me Nancy, and you guys can see the mango tree over here. Today I'm going to pluck one mango and then gonna eat it, so let's go. As you guys can see, there are lots of mango, but I've been checking from last time. This mango is almost ripe, so I'm gonna pluck it, I mean, sorry. See, it's very fresh. Let's go and let's eat this today. Oh my god. We're gonna wash it and cut, and we'll eat fresh mango today. Wow, smells so good. Mango is here, and let's start. I've already washed it and now I'm gonna cut. Oh, it's like half ripe and it's this color, and it's going, I know it's gonna be tasty. Almost done. It's a little bit hard because this mango have some trait inside, like okay guys, it's ready. Let's put it here. Okay, let me try it. One. Sweet and sour. Some salt. It's ready. Let's eat. Sweet and sour, really good. Another one. Another one. I really like the mango. Like cover, it's really good, hard and tasty. That's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching my video and supporting always. Arigato gozaimasu. Kamsahamnida. Dhanyavad. मेरे video watch करने के लिए to all my subscribers. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.